Hi everybody, it's Tom from Vehicle Visionary. I hope you're having a great day. I'm going to show you how to pair your smartphone, your Apple device or your Android device to the Pivi Pro Infotainment system. So here's what we're going to do. We're going to select Connect Phone right there, and you'll notice that the screen has some instructions on it. You either need to connect a device via USB or Bluetooth. We're going to do this wirelessly, so we're going to go into our Bluetooth, and what I'm going to do is scroll all the way down here to the bottom, and there it is. That's going to correspond with the information, the number right there, and we're just going to select that, and then we're going to let you see what happens on the screen. We're going to select pair here, yes on the screen, and then we're going to have to select allow right there, and we'll let everything work. Now I do use Apple CarPlay, so we're going to select that, and we're going to have use CarPlay on here. And then we're going to have one more thing that asks if we want yes or no. We're going to hit yes right here to enable that. And there we go. We are now officially paired. So that's how easy it is to pair your smartphone to the Pivi Pro Infotainment system. If you have a particular tutorial you would like to see me feature here on the Vehicle Visionary YouTube channel, let me know about it in the comments section. Thanks for taking the time to watch. Have a great day.